Hi, I'm Alex Davis, an expert in educational teaching and student engagements. I'm excited to guide you through Student AI product. Student AI is your child's digital learning companion that helps with daily homework, assignments, math problems, explains subjects clearly, and provides exam guidance, and with many other features like having a tutor at home anytime. As parents ourselves, we understand. We've seen our children struggling with piles of homework they sometimes can't understand, questions they're too shy to ask in class, the pressure of board exams and competitions, the race to keep up with their classmates. That's why we created Student AI. Think of it as a helpful 24 hours companion that sits with your child, just like a caring home tutor to clear all their doubts. Here's what makes parents like you smile. Your child learns to solve problems step by step. No more late-night homework stress, clear explanations in simple language, proper guidance for all subjects, extra practice for board exams, support available whenever your child needs it. The best part? It's as simple as switching on a computer. No complicated technology, no confusion. Student AI comes with nice packaging box. Open the box. Connect the USB to laptop or computer to get started. After you connect the Student AI USB, open the Student AI folder. Double-click on Student AI, ICSE for AI software to run. Click on Get Started for login. Now let's quick try Instant Homework Helper feature for you to understand how it will help your child in finishing homework worker without any pressure and sleepless nights. Student will use the text box to type the homework task and press Send or Enter for Student AI to help. Let's go with a simple math equation to try with xy equals z. This is just an example we picked for you to show how it will work. Wait for Student AI to generate the content for you. Student AI generates a complete tailor content based on the student grade. It will provide step-by-step for child to understand and easy to remember. If you look at the content, it got three main things: explanation, solution, and examples with clear step-by-step instructions. Isn't this awesome? To get instant help, click on Help button. Scan the QR code using WhatsApp and instantly connect with support team for assistance. Thank you, parent and students, for your time. As you can see, Student AI is your child's digital learning companion that helps with homework, explains concepts clearly, and provides exam guidance like having a tutor at home anytime. Order your copy from Amazon now only for 599 rupees, as early bird offer to solve three major problems for both students and parent like homework stress, exam preparation, and time management.